Have you ever felt overwhelmed but still found a reason to smile on a Sunday? For some of us, Sundays can be a day of anxiety, a day when we realize we didn't get everything done that we wanted to, and it's hard to find a moment of peace. What if I told you that there's a way to shift your perspective on Sundays and you can find a way to make Sundays feel more afflicting, more inspiring? It's all about finding the right mindset, the right attitude. When we focus on the positive, when we focus on what we're grateful for, Sundays can become a day of hope and renewal. As we search for inspiration, let's explore some beautiful Sunday blessings that can help us find peace and positivity. One of my favorite is, may God bless you and keep you. May God make his face shine upon you and be gracious to you. May God lift up his countenance upon you and give you peace. There's something so powerful about speaking words of kindness and compassion over our lives. One story that comes to mind is about a friend who was going through a tough time. She was feeling lost and uncertain about her future, and Sundays were particularly hard for her. But then she started writing down things she was grateful for each day, and it completely shifted her perspective. She began to see the good in every day, and Sundays become a day of hope and excitement. In embracing Sunday blessings, we're not just finding inspiration for the day, we're setting a positive tone for the week ahead. By taking a moment to reflect on what we're grateful for, we can find peace and positivity that will stay with us long after Sunday is over. Happy Sunday, everyone. God bless.